early morning. Punta tayo kay, guess where? Alright, so day 2. After ilang hours, nakuha din namin yung space timing. Pero sobrang late na, so tomorrow again. Back here again for day 3. Alright, early morning. Punta tayo kay, guess where? ECU shop. Magte-testing tayo ng ECU shop na ECU. It's foggy. Magte-testing tayo ng ECU shop na ECU. Kakabit natin dito sa KTM. So, it's 9 in the morning. Sorry, my camera is a bit foggy because it's very cold in my room. Diretso tayo sa ECU shop. Pakabit tayo ng ECU shop na ECU. Gawa ng harness and all. And then, diretso sa dyno. And then, diretso sa racetrack 2 days after. So, we'll see how this goes. This is something new for me. And, ang intention ko din na mag-ECU shop is that sila lang kasi yung may available dito na marunong mag-English at tuner. And sila yung nag-offer na tumulong sa Team Good Boy for now. So, magpapaturo din ako along the way. Hopefully, by next year, marunong na tayo mag-basic tuning ng FI. So, we'll see. I'll see you there sa ECU shop. So, andito na tayo guys. Pinapasok na tayo. Limit pa tayo. Hindi ko pa alam kung sino yung mga big boss dito. First time natin, pero we'll meet them today. Alright, so dito na kami sa dyno room. Baseline run muna tayo sa fuel tech. And then kakalasin nila. Gagawa ng bagong harness. Kakabit yung ECU nila. And then tutuno tayo ulit. Isang full pa lang, wasak na naman agad yung hub natin. Pero yan yung lumang hub natin. That's why sa previous videos ko, especially sa Facebook, makikita nyo nagpagawa na ako ng custom hub na design ko, yung oversized bearing. Kasi nga, laging nangyayari sa atin yan sa mga normal na Thailand na racing hub. Nawawasak yung bearing sa power. Ayan, makikita nyo naman mamaya. Alright, so day 2, andito na tayo ulit sa ECU shop. Check natin yung wiring harness na ginawa nila. They started this morning. And then, it's late afternoon already. Tingnan natin kung tapos na. Will open?
Yes, because Yes, I calibrate.
Timing.
Coming.
Okay. I check this first, and then I open. You need to use? No. Flash.
Because
All set after. I use nitro, but now I will flash. C85 also have a little bit nitro, right?
C85.
I checked the video and they designed that one, so when you there for VR, yeah.
แกม1 2 4ต้องลองคาลิเบรตดูดี
Only one. It's big.
strong
Forward.
ก็อ่ะแบบนึงงั้นหมุนขี้ท่วมไปนะ
แล้วเมื่อกี้มันเลื่อนปะเลื่อนมาแบบหลักร้อยถัง135ไป130มันเลื่อนมาแบบ So, ito lahat ng video natin ever since kanina. Kinukuha lang namin yung race timing ng factory. Hindi kasi namin ma-read sa timing side kasi yung pulsar nasa cover. Tapos hindi rin namin ma-read sa kabila kasi hindi mabasa ang late ng butas, hindi mabasa yung sa top dead center ng crankshaft ng KTM. So, ito naglabas sila ng mga ibang gadgets. Hopefully mahanap namin yung base timing para makapag-start na kami mag-tune sa base map, and then after that tune up na. Alright, so after ilang hours nakuha din namin yung base timing, pero sobrang late na, so tomorrow again. Back here again for day 3. So kahapon, di ba nakita yung fuel pump natin? May bago na tayo ngayon, brand new. Papalit tayo. Since nakuha na natin yung base timing ng crankshaft, after neto, magtutunan na tayo base map.
Everything you got, I just wanna try to get you in the mood.
Okay,
Next, fuel pump.
okay.
I wanna go down, stay.
So, may base map na tayo. Patong na natin sa dyno. Tuning na tayo. sila, yun yung tagagawa natin ng mga custom na spacers, wheel spacers, mga custom na ehe. So like, ito, kung makikita nyo, wala pa siyang custom na ehe, kaya mahaba yung bolt. Mahaba yung bolt, hindi ko siya ma-thread fully. So gagawa ng custom yan. Yung kulang, nakalimutan yan last time, gagawa nila. And then, may mga starter din ako ng yung pang-start ng motor. May design akong ganon, papagawa ko sa kanya. Yung base frame lang. Tapos, ito naman sila, ibang set ng mekaniko ko. Ito yung suspension tech dito, yung nagturo sa akin before. So, pinapakabit ko yung mga suspension na pinagawa ko sa kanila. Kasi last time andito sila, 6 yung pinagawa ko, 3 lang yung nakabit. So, nakakabit kami ngayon ng the other 3. Kanina ginawa nila is yung 450. Dala na natin ngayon yung 350. Galing pa to sa ECU shop. Ito, kinakabitan na rin nila ngayon. Domino.
Domino, tua.